Alright guys, modelrockets321 here. Welcome back to the channel. Go on and hit that subscribe button. Thumb up the video if you have not already. Today we have another unboxing video. I received this package from, what is it called? Masonic Amateur Rocketry Society on Instagram. Got my P.O. box and they sent me this package. So I'm going to check it out. So thanks to them. Again, that is Masonic Amateur Rocketry Society on Instagram. Be sure to check them out. And we're going to do this unboxing. I have no idea what this is. The guy hit me up and said, hey, what's your address? I'm going to send you something. So here we go. This is another one. I received one a little while ago, and I appreciate you guys. The P.O. box is in the description below if you'd like to send something to good old Model Rocks 321. I appreciate that. No, there's other links below too, so you can check those. So here we go. All right, let's get this open. Let's see what we have. All right, see some gold paper here, some gold. All right, some gold wrapping paper. Got that right there. Uh-oh. Ah, I know what this is already. I have another one. Another one. Shout out to Masonic Rocketry Society. This is sapphire. Another blue sapphire. Man, you guys are super cool. This is another blue sapphire kit. So now I have two. I received one from one guy as a gift, and here is a second blue sapphire kit with a bag. Super, super cool. Now I definitely have one to build. I have one to build, and I have one if I want to collect one. Super cool. Man, blue sapphire. I know there was one guy, I'm not sure if this is him or not, that had ordered they got like 3 of them. I'm not sure if this is him. This is you. Let me know if you had gotten 3. I'm going to definitely post this so he can see it. If he's on here, drop a comment below. Masonic Rocketry Society. Masonic Amateur Rocketry Society. Let me know if that was you, that you said you had gotten 3 of these when they came out. Because I didn't get any. So now I have 2. Definitely one to build, man. This is cool. Cool. So thanks for that. Got the bag. Wow, this is super cool. So there you go, guys. You see the P.O. box below. I'll shout you out and do what I can do to help your channel and help you on Instagram or on here if you send something. So that's kind of neat, kind of cool. Man, I appreciate this so much. Super cool. Super cool. I'll just go over some of the specs again. It's 18 inches tall, like a BT50 tube. Look at that. I got the balsa wood nose cone. So that's just going back to that 65th anniversary emblem right there. Blue sapphire. Flies to 1,200 feet. So it's a high flyer on a C65. Got those unique fins. Got the Estes logo on there. So there we go with another one. That is cool. I had no idea. And there was a subscriber that had gotten 3. I'm not sure if this is the person or not. I just can't remember. You see so many images on there that I can't remember. But either way, this is cool. This is cool. I had no idea what he was going to be sending. Some cool like gold paper too. Some command module paper. A lunar lander gold foil. But yeah, man, this is cool. So appreciate you. Just wanted to share this with you guys. Share another unboxing, and we got more to come. Hit that subscribe button. Subscribe to the channel. Check the links below, and we will see you on another video. It's Model Rockets 3, 2, 1.